Welcome to another installment of Tech Time. Tech Time is designed to bring you important information about technology as it relates to education. My name is Joe Gaston, and I am a technology resource teacher for Mobile County Public Schools. The start of a new school year means a chance for the technology support teachers to gather for a day of learning, networking, and preparing to assist their individual schools. This year, over 115 technology support teachers met in the Professional Development Building located on Central Campus on Schillinger Road. Today we're going to learn more about what took place at that meeting.
Welcome. I'm Michelle White with Instructional Technology, and I'm really excited about our school year. Today we spent learning with our technology support teachers at the local school. We had a great day today in the Cypress Auditorium working with our TSTs. We spent the day networking with them, working on work orders and learning the systems in our technology division, getting updates from Sherry Moore, our network manager, learning more about the work order system, learning about our infrastructure, learning about our ASIP plans and how technology plans fit within those. Really excited about the new technology resource teachers that have been added to our team, learning about the projects that all of us lead and how we can help support our schools. It's a great time to be involved in technology and how we can help engage our schools and our students and the resources that we have available for our students and our teachers.
I'm Angel Phelps. I'm the TST at Taylor White Elementary School. I'm also the PACE teacher there. And today I feel like I'm on information overload. I got a lot of useful information about Office 365 and how we can utilize it more for storage, communication, collaboration with both teachers and students. And I'm also excited to use Akano, which is a video conferencing system that can be used without additional hardware. So I'm looking forward to the start of a great year.
My name is Joseph Sykes. I'm a TST at Breitling Elementary in Grand Bay. This year, this is my second year as TST. I'm actually really enjoying the job, just in general, working with students in technology. We're really working hard getting devices in the hands of all the students, and the one thing I learned today is the whole Microsoft Office 365 suite is going to be available to students to download 5 licenses that they can all download on their personal devices at home, which is, to me, is an amazing thing. It's an expensive piece of equipment, and to know that they have access to that anywhere at any time and have it for themselves, it's an amazing thing. I think it'll be a great help for them as they continue to learn in the years to come.
Hi, my name is Whitney Simmons. I'm working at Morningside Elementary School in the computer lab this year. I'm really excited about the environment and really excited about learning new things about technology, introducing new programs in the lab. Today was a great learning experience for me. I was able to network with some of the other TST and other administrative staff. I really learned a lot. It was an eye-opening experience, and I look forward to going back to Morningside Elementary School and sharing all that I learned today with the students as well as the other staff members.
Along with the different sessions on procedures and available tools, the technology support teachers also had a chance to hear from Mr. David Ackridge, the Executive Manager and Chief Information Officer for our school system. We had a chance at the end of the day to talk with Mr. Ackridge, and here's what he had to say.
The question is what I'm excited about this year and coming up school year. Well, you know, we have some chances this year to work with some local businesses to get some low-cost devices for students, and hopefully that's going to build up our BYOD program. We had 11,000 students last year actively bringing devices, and we'd really like to see that in a goal this year that I've set for having about 30,000 students online using BYOD devices in the classroom. So looking to that, looking for an explosion of video. Would love to see schools actively participating in creating content, creating shows, creating announcements, creating news, all kinds of things that we can air on our television channel. So just looking for the next level, and Office 365 and storage online and using all the different tools that are available this year. Just want to see a big pickup, and by the time we're talking this time next year, we're at that whole nother level.
All of us in the technology department are excited about working with teachers, administrators, and students this school year. Be sure to speak with the technology support teacher at your school to find out how they can help you. That's all for this edition of Tech Time. Thanks for watching, and remember, never stop learning.